Hey guys, it's Chris here, and today we're going to be reviewing the TECKIN Smart Light Dimmer Switch. I'd like to thank them for sending this out for review. For $22, I give this product a price to value ratio of 8 out of 10. It's an all-in-one smart dimmer switch that comes with everything you need in the box. The build of the unit is pretty good. The button click on the switch is really nice to press. It has a nice feedback to it, and the plastic is smooth with a matte finish, and the plastic material is durable and strong. It works well as a smart dimmer switch. It has a good button. The dimmer, it has a touch control panel that feels really good when sliding the bar, and it's a smart device so you can connect it to your Google Home or your Amazon Alexa. I've named mine Bobby. Hey Google, turn on Bobby. And it's really easy to control it. My Google Home listens to it very well, and the actions take place quick when turning on, setting brightness, or turning off the light. So you do need to count the number of bulbs you're controlling with your switch. I have 4 LED light bulbs in this chandelier, and each bulb is 5 watts. And with the TECKIN Smart Dimmer Switch, for LED lights, it can handle up to 250 watts. Add up all their watts to see if the switch can handle it. With that said, one thing that was almost a deal breaker was I could not fit it into my original switch box space. This smart switch is about 4 inches long and 2 inches wide. The finished job is not that bad, even though I almost couldn't get the switch in. It does hover out a little bit from the wall and it's not flush, but from afar and up close it looks fine. Overall, I give this product a price to value ratio of 8 out of 10. It comes with everything in the package, so you don't need anything but a screwdriver and maybe some pliers. Installation was quick, and the build quality is really good on this unit. The matte finish makes it look nice, it's not too flashy, and the plastic is durable. If you're looking to make your dimmer or switch a smart control device, this is definitely one to check out. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Subscribe for future content. Bye guys. Hey Google, turn off Bobby.
Okay, turning Bobby off.